Yo, what is up guys, it's Sam from YouTube, and today's video is all about the recently launched Tecno Phantom 9. I'd like to thank Tecno for giving me the opportunity to attend the launch event of this device. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. My user experience on this device was amazing. From interface to display, it's all balanced. The device features an AMOLED display clocked at 1080p to give images coming from your screen this vibrant look. We've also got a curved edge display on this device that it's gonna give the device a classy build and a firm grip to it. It runs on an Android 9 Pie and Tecno's new iOS 5. The device has got 6GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM, which is just enough for the average phone user. Here's a look of the specifications in general. We've got nothing on the top of the device, nothing on the left side of the device. We have the volume rocker keys and the power button on the right side of the device, and the earphone jack and speaker grills on the bottom of the device. This device does not support USB Type-C charging. Oh, this is a bummer coming from a flagship device. We've got a 32MP selfie camera and a triple rear camera. That's a 60MP main camera, a 2MP depth sensor camera, and an 8MP wide angle camera. Tecno has teased this device to be able to take up to 120 degrees of wide angle photos. Tecno's skin on this device is amazing. It has this amazing feel to it and ease while using the device itself. So far so good. Images on this device are a little bit oversaturated compared to other devices with AMOLED screens. Tecno has done a good job in designing this phone and marking it at 77,000 naira. But it's affordable and it's got good specifications which hold up well. Well, I'll put some pictures and videos from the launch event after my end clip. But thank you all for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, you could choose to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, which is very down on the screen.